My name is Sarah Lieber, and I'm a rheumatologist here at HSS. I tend to see patients with underlying inflammatory rheumatic conditions, such as lupus, rheumatoid arthritis, other forms of inflammatory arthritis like psoriatic arthritis, other connective tissue diseases like Sjogren's. The doctor-patient relationship is extremely important in rheumatology. In fact, that was a really important aspect of rheumatology that appealed to me when I chose rheumatology. I think it's extremely important for the doctor and the patient to get to know each other over time, get to know the patient's preferences, and that really improves the quality of care. I think that it's very important to me to develop good relationships with patients, to schedule frequent appointments, to be available when they need me, either by phone or other forms of messages, and just to be available over time and develop those relationships such that they feel that they can call on me when they need help. Patient education is extremely important. I think that there's a lot that can be done during our office visit, and I try and emphasize that as I get to know people, and there are often questions that come up between visits, and I like to be available for that. I would also add that we have a lot of really great patient education resources here at HSS, and I'm part of a team that's helped to create some of those resources. When patients come to see me on the first visit, they can expect that we're going to spend a good amount of time together. I really like to understand what brings them to the doctor's office and their prior history in depth, and I end up asking a lot of questions, as I call it, from head to toe, that people may not expect a doctor who's focused on, for instance, their arthritis to be asking about. But I think these are all important pieces of the picture. And when you are speaking to a patient and you see that the treatment options that you recommended have been effective and the patient is living a higher quality of life, able to spend more time with friends and family or do their work or whatever they choose, it's an incredible feeling.